this is how you can pyramid into positions. So if we look at this fractal, you can see that this is a consolidation. And what do we have below this low? This is sell side liquidity. And if I zoom out the fractal, you can see that we took buy side liquidity above this high. I'm going to show you how you can pyramid into positions and how much you should be risking. So once price trades into this fair value gap, once taking the buy side liquidity, this is your first entry. And this will be a 1% risk. And this is the low risk sell. After that, your next entry will be here into this fair value gap, and this is the first distribution. Your stop loss will still go above this high, and here you would risk 0.5%. And into here, this is where the silver bullet would form. This is where you would put the lowest risk on, and you could put your stop loss above this high because there is no inefficiency for price to trade into, and then you target the sell side liquidity. And as you can see, price tags us in, and then we trade away into the sell side. So this is how you can pyramid into positions and how much you should be risking. If you want to see an updated version of this or me to go into any more detail, make sure to leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.